In today's digital age, the internet has revolutionized the way we live and work, providing unparalleled opportunities for individuals to make money online. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash on the side, create a full-time income stream, or build a successful online business, the potential to generate income online is vast and diverse. However, with so many options available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. In this comprehensive guide, we will cover everything you need to know to begin making money online, from understanding the different methods available to tips and strategies for success. Part 1. Understanding the different ways to make money online. The first step in your journey to make money online is to familiarize yourself with the various methods available. Here, we will provide an in-depth overview of the most popular and effective ways to generate income online. Freelancing. Freelancing is a common option for individuals with specialized skills, such as writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management. We will explore the different freelancing platforms available, how to create a compelling profile, and how to find and bid on relevant projects to start earning money as a freelancer. Blogging. If you have a passion for writing and storytelling, blogging can be a profitable way to make money online. We will discuss how to start a blog, choose a niche, create engaging content, and monetize your blog through various channels, such as display advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. E-commerce. E-commerce offers a scalable and profitable way to make money online by selling products or services. We will delve into the different e-commerce platforms available, how to set up an online store, source products or create digital goods, and market your store to attract customers and generate sales. Online surveys and market research. Participating in online surveys and market research can be a simple and easy way to make some extra cash. We will explore different websites that offer paid surveys, product testing, and feedback opportunities, and provide tips on how to maximize your earnings. Online tutoring or consulting. If you possess expertise in a particular subject or skill, offering online tutoring or consulting services can be a lucrative way to make money online. We will discuss different platforms that connect tutors or consultants with clients, how to set up your services, and market yourself to attract clients. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell products online without having to handle inventory or fulfill orders. We will explain how dropshipping works, how to set up an online store, source products from suppliers, and manage customer orders to create a profitable dropshipping business. Stock trading or investing. For those interested in financial markets and willing to take risks, stock trading or investing can be a potential way to make money online. We will provide an overview of the different investment options available, the risks and rewards associated with stock trading or investing, and how to get started. Part 2. Tips and strategies for success. Once you have chosen a method or methods to make money online, it's essential to have a solid plan and strategy in place for success. Here, we will share valuable tips and strategies to help you optimize your online income generating endeavors. Setting goals and creating a plan. It's crucial to define your financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. We will discuss how to set realistic and achievable goals, create a timeline, and develop a plan that aligns with your skills, interests, and resources. Building your online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is critical for success in the online world. We will provide tips on how to create a professional website or profile, optimize your online content for search engines, and effectively use social media and other marketing strategies to attract and engage with your target audience. Building your skills. In order to excel in your chosen method of making money online, it's important to continually improve and develop your skills. We will provide guidance on how to acquire new skills through online courses, workshops, and other resources, and how to stay updated with the latest trends and changes in your industry. Managing your time and resources. Managing your time and resources effectively is crucial when it comes to making money online. We will provide tips on how to create a schedule, set priorities, and optimize your workflow to maximize productivity and efficiency. Building relationships and networking. Building relationships and networking can play a significant role in your online success. We will discuss the importance of networking, how to build meaningful relationships with potential clients, partners, or mentors, and how to leverage your network to expand your opportunities and grow your online income. Managing your finances. Properly managing your finances is essential for sustainable online income. We will provide tips on how to budget, track your income and expenses, set aside money for taxes, and plan for long-term financial goals. Overcoming challenges and staying motivated. Making money online can come with its share of challenges and setbacks. We will discuss common challenges such as competition, self-motivation, and dealing with rejection, and provide strategies to overcome them and stay motivated on your online income generating journey. Part 3: Avoiding common pitfalls. In addition to the tips and strategies for success, it's important to be aware of common pitfalls that can hinder your progress in making money online. Here, we will highlight some of the potential challenges and mistakes to avoid. Falling for scams and get-rich-quick schemes. The online world is filled with scams and get-rich-quick schemes that promise overnight wealth. We will provide guidance on how to identify and avoid these scams, and how to do thorough research before investing your time and money into any online opportunity. Not treating it like a business. Making money online requires dedication, effort, and a business mindset. We will discuss the importance of treating your online income generating activities as a business, including proper record keeping, tax compliance, and professional communication with clients or customers. Lack of focus and consistency. Consistency is key to success in making money online. We will emphasize the importance of staying focused on your goals, consistently putting in the effort, and avoiding distractions or procrastination. Ignoring legal and ethical considerations. When making money online, it's important to be aware of legal and ethical considerations, such as copyright laws, data privacy, and ethical marketing practices. We will provide guidance on how to operate your online income generating activities in compliance with relevant laws and ethical standards. Not adapting to changes. The online landscape is constantly evolving, and it's important to adapt to changes in technology, market trends, and consumer preferences. We will discuss the importance of staying updated and flexible, and being willing to pivot or adjust your strategies as needed to stay competitive and successful. In conclusion, making money online offers incredible opportunities for individuals to earn income, create financial freedom, and build successful online businesses. However, it requires careful planning, strategic execution, and continuous effort. By understanding the different methods available, implementing effective strategies, avoiding common pitfalls, and staying motivated, you can embark on a successful online income generating journey. Remember, success may not happen overnight, but with persistence, determination, and the right mindset, you can achieve your online income goals and unlock the full potential of making money online. So, go ahead, take action, and start your journey towards financial success in the online world.